Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demo, we will set up the Shodan tool. Shodan is a search engine specifically designed for internet-connected devices, such as webcams, servers, routers, and more. It helps security professionals identify exposed systems and check for vulnerabilities across the internet. Shodan allows users to filter results or use dorks to gather information such as IP addresses, ports, locations, and device types related to a target. So let's get started. Open your web browser and search for Shodan. Press Enter. From the search results, click on the first link, shodan.io. You'll now see the main interface of the Shodan tool. In the search bar of the interface, type google.com and press Enter. You'll see search results like www.mykitchen3338.com. Multiple IP addresses such as 34.196.115.145, 34.226, 77.200. Using Shodan, you can obtain information about servers and devices that are available in regular search engines. You'll also notice details such as operating systems, top organizations, and top products directly from the search results. If you observe carefully, the number of proper google.com subdomains is quite limited in the results. To get more precise and targeted subdomain results, we can use dork. Dorking refines your search to return specific results. And this technique also works in Shodan. In the Shodan search bar, type ssl.cert.subject.cn:, put domain google.com in double quotes, 200. This query finds servers whose SSL certificate's common name is google.com, and that return an HTTP 200 OK response. And press on search icon. However, you might encounter an error message stating, please log in to use search filters. If you haven't logged in, to resolve this, go to the top right corner and click the Login button. Enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, repeat the search. Wait a few seconds for the results to load. You'll now see much more specific results, such as domains associated with Google and Amazon AWS. These are the proper searches given by the Shodan tool. Now, let's try a similar search for Facebook. In the search bar, type ssl.cert.subject.san, open double quotes, facebook.com, close double quotes, 200, and press Enter. You'll now see results related to facebook.com, particularly subdomains like extem.facebook.com. Keep in mind that Shodan is a paid tool. As a free user, your access is limited to only 2 pages of results. To access additional pages and unlock full capabilities, you'll need to purchase a premium plan. And that completes the setup and demonstration of the Shodan tool.